Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. I am Anmol and I welcome you to my first ever YouTube video inside the cruise. We are here in Singapore right now and we are gonna board the cruise at Marina Bay Port. And let's see how it goes. So we are here and this is the beautiful first glimpse of the ship. This is Marina of the sea. Here you can soak in the Caribbean sun, you have the fresh sea breeze, and yes, don't forget to grab a quick drink from the pool bar. Refresh yourself in the hot tub and enjoy the vibe. This ship also has a jogging track and plenty of space to relax yourself. After the dive, it's time to binge on. The ship has more than enough options for you to explore your palate. You have a huge buffet offering you Asian, Italian, Indian, Korean, Oriental and American food options. You won't believe if I tell you that this ship also has a theatre, gym, casino, conference area and an art gallery. In evening, the top deck offers you live shows and a lot of entertainment options. Isn't it beautiful out here when you can just have a look at the clear sky and gaze to the beautiful star galaxies? After a splendid evening on the top deck, come to dine like royals with serene ambience and delectable cuisines. It's so beautiful and it's so elegant. You actually feel like you are in some Hollywood movie and living a dream. And with this, we come to an end. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. And please comment down below in the comment section what do you want to see next in our vlog. If you like our video, please hit the bell button and subscribe to Solo Trip.